Yeah, welcome. Today I want to show you how to replace your HVAC air filter. If you have a house, if you have a house, you have air conditioning and heating system. That's why I want to show you how to replace its filter, HVAC filter. If you walk on your hallway, if you walk on a hallway, looking up, you will see a screen like this one. You see a screen like this one. That's the vent. That's the vent for your HVAC, the air filter for the HVAC. That's where it is. It sucks in the air, then it goes to the cooling system or the heating system. Then it comes back to you through these other small vents. Some of this then it come back through this one. If you look in your house, you have several of these, like each and every room. This one is the big one, is the big one. The big one is through where the air is sucked in. The air is sucked in and it has the filter. The small one, they don't have filter because the air is already filtered. The small one, they don't have. Okay? And you have the air filter, which is like this, you can buy in the store. So you have also to remember to check the size. Mine is 20, 36 and 1 inches. This 1 inch from here to here is 20 inches. From here to here is 36. That's the size of my vent. To know the size, I had to take one out. I have to take the old one out to check the size. Make sure you have a good radar. Make sure you have good radar and also check the weight of the radar. A-frame radar, that's the one you need. You need an A-frame radar. 6 inches. Make sure you check the weight which it can carry. If you are 500 pounder, if you have 500 pounds, then you can use this one. Because this one, the maximum you're supposed to take is 250. It's 250 pounds. That's what it means. Okay? Make sure you open your radar. Like that. Right? And make sure these bars, they are all stressed all the way out. Don't do it when it's like this. Don't climb on your radar when it's like this. Make sure they are all open and they are locked. You can hear. They are locked in place. Okay? If you look at the air filter, it's marked airflow. Right? This one is facing up, airflow. So the air goes in this way. And when you start at looking up, the air goes from what you can see to the other side. So that's how it goes in, the airflow, because the air goes from this side to this side. On the part which goes inside, you can see they have the little wire mesh. They have the little wire mesh, you can see, the little wire. That is from stopping the filter from being sucked in. Because the air is sucked in and it goes on top of the screen, the big screen, you can see. So if it's put it this way, going up, this one can be sucked in. This side, it can be sucked in. Okay, let's open the air filter and see how it looks like. It's normally covered with a little plastic. Remove that one. That is cover. And then we take out this other one. And here is some installation on how to do the installation, right? That's how it look like. It's RJ, Airite RJ air filter. It filters 95% efficient, right? This one is 95% efficient, all the particles. Okay, that's how it is. Yeah. If you look here, it's written. You are supposed to replace it every 90 days. Every 90 days. That's it's like after every 3 months. After every 3 months, you are supposed to replace it. Okay? That's how it goes. Look at it now, you can see clearly after I remove everything. You can see the little wire mesh. The little mesh wire. This is to protect it from being sucked in. And you can see it has all these brackets. Right? This is to stop it from being sucked. You see, this one you have only this, but you don't have the little wire mesh. Because the air goes here, goes from this side, and this goes out this side. These wires stop it from this side. Okay, I will show you how it is done. Make sure those is and your radar is well positioned. Make sure it's well in position. You can't go to this radar, to this rack. You can't step on it. You can't step on it. If you find yourself going here, the radar you have is the wrong one. You have the wrong size. Okay, because from here you will fall for sure. Yep. Then you just hold it. There's a little tab on the side. You have to pull them open like that. Start coming down. And it will come down like that. You see? That's how it look like. You see? This one, do you see the little screen? The wire mesh is on this side. The little wire mesh on this side. In order to get not to get any confusion, right? You can just hold you can just put, when you hold it like this, you go the part, you get your pencil and put a mark if you are not sure. If you are not sure, and this is your first time, just put a mark. Now you know, this is the top part. Whenever I take it out, if I'm not sure, now I can check my mark and use my mark. That's how it is. You see how dirty it is. It's after 3 months, so that's how you are supposed to do it. Then you get the new one. I already know how it goes in. So I just get it. Fit it in there. Then I just put it back on. You can see the arrow showing the airflow. The arrow showing the airflow, right? So it's supposed to face up. And just put it back on. Or just put it in. Then you pull your tab back, push it, you make sure it locks. So the other side, make sure it locks. Yeah, that's how to replace your HVAC filter. You see, like mine is dirty, right? The air goes through here, you can see how dirty it is. This is like 3 months because it's during winter. It's during winter and the heating system is like almost on during the day, like on throughout, just to heat the house so you don't feel cold. Okay, so after the 3 months, I'll come and replace. I'll mark somewhere on the date I replaced. Okay, or if you find it dirty, you don't have to wait for 3 months. You don't have to wait for 3 months. Just replace when you find it's dirty. Okay? Or you have used, like during summer, when you put your AC on throughout, then you don't have to wait for 3 months, but it's recommended. Every 3 months, you replace. This is what filter the air. The filter area which goes to your heating system and the cooling system, HVAC. Okay, if you like my video, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Make sure you replace your filter every 3 months. Every 3 months, make sure you replace your filter. See you in the next video. Okay, take care.